We're on our way to Sema. It's 5:30. Everyone's getting their Starbucks, meeting up here.
Nap 1, success. I'm a snake.
Yeah. I'm extremely excited.
Alright, so 9:37 arrival. We gotta go right now. So you guys are in a hotel. We're all gonna drive in, and then just follow me, and then we'll go. Cool.
What is going on over here? Hey, what did you
Just stick it in there, dude.
With this one? Siphoning gas?
Yeah.
Final checkpoint. We're at Sema. Big Sema.
It's in here somewhere.
Oh, this is Albert's first time on the vlog too.
Oh, and it's gonna be the last too.
You're making us late again.
It's not my fault.
What up, Cole?
What to do?
We're here at Sema. We're at Sema, we're inside, we're trying to capture content and looking for the rest of our team.
VIP access into the burn room.
I ended up staying up 3 nights.
Courtesy of Mr. Paul Taylor right here.
With Wally just fucking thinking of like what is our dream, like.
Still walking around, about to head inside. It's a lot of walking, but we're gonna try to bang this out all in one day. Because tomorrow I believe is like open to the public. So we'll see how this goes. Alright, finally made it inside. Pretty crazy in here.
It's not crazy.
It's pretty crazy.
It's not crazy in here.
I just think we're tired. Been up since 4.
All right. Let's just go shoot some stuff. Let's go. It's not as busy as when I was here last time in 2019. Here at the Ched Pass, It's still hot outside. I think there's a lot of nice cars in there, possibly, maybe.
Alright, update. It is now, what time is it? 2:34. Found everyone again. Everyone's tired, but I think we're going to the West Hall now. Maybe. I'm gonna see what's over here though. See what kind of goodies they have.
We're checking now, babe.
322?
We're checking out.
322? Oh my God.
322, we finally found a Nosatech and we're checking out.
That's it. I think that's it for Sema. So we made it to the hotel. It is now 5:45. Got Imelda with me, Andrew and May. Just trying to get to our room, relax a little, and see what the rest of the night brings us. Alright, day 2 of the vlog. Just waking up. Gonna get some coffee.